All I'm saying is that at this new price point, this icon box better be amazing, you guys. I couldn't believe when I saw that the charge came out and it was $71 to get this beauty box. So this now is my most, I'm pretty sure at least, this is my most expensive beauty box that I subscribe to. So I hope this box is freaking amazing. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I do lots of unboxings over here on my channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at my icon box for February 2025. Now this subscription just recently went up in price starting this year, and a few of us, because some of my subscribers messaged me and I agreed with them, that when we saw the price come out of our bank accounts and we saw the charge, it was like, whew, you know, like it was painful, it was noticeable, and it's like, well, okay, that was a bit much. And in my mind, I'm going, well, usually this box is worth it, so I'm gonna keep my subscription, but this is why we do unboxings, because we're gonna put it to the test and make sure that it is worth that price point. Now, if you guys are interested in this subscription, I will be posting a link down below to the Ipsy website, and then you can sign up for this box. Keep in mind that the icon box is considered an upgrade to your existing subscription. What that means is you have to first purchase either the Ipsy Glam Bag or the BoxyCharm box. You can do one or the other. You don't have to do both. You have to purchase one of those first, and then the icon box will be unlocked and you'll be able to sign up for this box after that. So then when it comes in February, instead of me receiving my BoxyCharm subscription, they essentially upgrade me to the icon box. And that upgrade happens 4 times a year. So essentially this is a quarterly subscription. So inside of my box, this is what it will look like here. We do have a little newsletter on top with Gabrielle Union. Or is it Gabriella? Gabrielle? I think it's Gabrielle, right? So yeah, Gabrielle Union. Why am I butchering this? I said it too many times. I think that's what it is. Anyway, she is the featured icon for this box. So with every icon box, they will have a different celebrity or icon to be featured in their box. This is usually something that they will curate and work with that artist on. So in theory, she's picking out the products for this box. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, I gotta show you what this looks like. Seriously. So I took off the newsletter and I saw this, and then I lifted the palette and just look at this box. I mean, just at first glance, you guys, if you were to get a subscription and this is what you got, this is what you see, would you spend $71 on this? At first glance, I would do this. Like, so far, I feel comfortable. I'd be like, yeah, I don't know what all the brands are. I don't know what all the products are, but it looks to be worth $71. Wait a second. I am not supposed to have this palette, you guys. So I'm on the Ipsy website right now and I'm going through like the items that I chose and what's supposed to be in my box. This palette is not on the list, and I did not buy any add-ons this month either. I have an extra product. I can't believe I have a bonus product in here. So this is what it looks like. By the way, I'm gonna mention, I do pay for this subscription. It is not PR. I'm not collaborating with Ipsy on this at all. There should be no reason that this is in my box. It's not like this is a work thing or any sort of a collab whatsoever. In fact, this subscription box is not even associated to my business. It is tied under my sister's name. So they don't even know who's ordering this subscription. So that's why I'm saying I have a random bonus product in my box this month. So this is the Ciate London I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower Volume 2 palette. It says it's a 24-piece eyeshadow palette. It is PETA approved, vegan, and cruelty-free as well. So this is awesome, you guys. So this is what it looks like here. I mean, I will definitely take a bonus product, and this is a really nice bonus product. So this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So lots of different shades. We've got some mattes in here, some shimmers as well. There is a mirror with this palette also. By the way, since this is from Ciate London, has anyone heard if they are still in business or not? I forgot to check. This was It was on my mind a couple months ago, or a month ago, when I made a video about Ciate London, that they had basically abandoned all of their social media pages. They were also MIA on their website. And I know this because the website doesn't have anything for sale and it's still advertising things for Christmas. It's just like nobody's updated anything. And then there's a lot of rumors from different like past employees saying that they were going out of business. And I made the comment then that I would be interested to see if Ipsy is going to have a lot of products from Ciate London in their next few boxes, or even the rest of this year. So now seeing this in here, and I think, didn't last month in January, I had a setting powder, I believe, from Ciate London as well. I think. It could all be speculation on my part, but just an observation. We'll keep an eye on that. Okay, back to the unboxing then today, you guys. The first few items that I'm going to show you are the items that Ipsy chose for me. So if you decide to purchase this subscription, Ipsy will choose 5 of the items for you for your box, and then you get to pick 3 of the other products to be added to your box. So this is the first one that they picked for me. It is the Oat Yogurt Moisture Barrier Cream from By Row. So this one is a vegan soy yogurt barrier cream that is packed with oats and other ingredients to give you hydration, and it's going to give you a moisture barrier so that way you don't lose any moisture throughout the day. So it is also PETA approved. It is vegan and cruelty free. Love that. And then inside will be your jar. This is all glass and it is a full-size moisturizer at 50 ml of product. So this is a brand that's actually from Korea. It's been around for a while now that I really like their products. Every time I've tried something from By Row, my skin is always softer. It does a really nice job with it. So this product, I don't believe I've used this one, but I have had a different moisturizer from them. And I've also had a toner before that was really good too. But it sounds promising. I like how thick the moisturizer is. This one seems really good and the ingredient list is very simple and clean. Also, I'm pretty sure this product is expensive, so I was really happy that Ipsy chose this one for me because not only will I use it, but it's a great value. The next item that I have in here is from Fresh, and this product was also chosen by Ipsy for my box. This is the Soy Face Cleanser. So this cleanser is full size. It is a 5-ounce bottle. It is vegan and cruelty free. It's also pH balancing, and it will remove, makeup, dirt, things like that. It's a traditional cleanser. The difference with this cleanser is that it has amino acids inside of it, and then it is pH balancing. So while it's going to remove makeup, mascara, things that might be a little bit more tough to remove, it will take that off, but it's not going to strip your skin. It's not going to make it dull. It will infuse it though with those amino acids, and it will still be soft, soothing, and hydrating while using this product. So it's a good brand. I've used this cleanser before. It's a gel formula. So if you like the gel version, then this one would work perfectly for you. I had no complaints with this cleanser though, honestly, you guys. I thought it worked great. It removed everything. My skin felt great afterwards. So yeah, love seeing this. Next up is a product from Tarte. This is their Sculpt Tape product. So this one is a contouring stick, essentially. So they have their famous Shape Tape, which is their concealer. This is the Sculpt Tape, and it's considered their bronzer. Not bronzer, their contour. So you can actually pair the two together to do more of your contouring effect. So you can use their concealer like underneath your eyes and then come in and darken up those edges to kind of frame the face a little bit. I'm excited to have this one in here. This is a great full-size product to get, and especially since I've not tried it, even more so, I'm really happy with it. This is going really well, you guys. I mean, so far we're seeing brands that are all at Sephora. This is awesome. So full-size foundation that we have here. Hourglass is an excellent brand. Their concealers, holy bananas. If you want a concealer that does not crease, get the Hourglass concealer. It is so powerful. Ooh, love the shade. I was worried about that. I have shade number 5. So this is what it shows here. I feel like that will work for me, or I can at least work with it. It looks like it has a hint of a yellow tone to it, which can be good because it can help brighten. But the idea is that it's a soft glow foundation. I really like my box, you guys. Now the next item that I have in here is a set of brushes. This is from Shades by Sean, and it is the brush set collection. 5-piece brush set, and it looks like they're all going to be for your eyes. So we have in here blending brushes, there's a crease brush, there's also a packing brush as well, so you can pack on that pigment. Oh, and they're pointy at the end. So this is what it looks like. So it actually has that like pointed edge. Was not expecting that. Now these are very lightweight. They are synthetic bristles as well, but I do like that they're a little bit longer in length. And I feel like they are really, I mean, they're a really lightweight brush, but they feel nice. So now I'm gonna show you guys the items that I chose for my Ipsy box. So the first item that I went with is Fenty Beauty. I mean, I know I'm a bit predictable. I always go with Fenty whenever it's an option. But this one is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So it is a full-size product here. Really like this brand. The shade is Sea Sweetheart. So this is what it looks like here. And I think the number is 3. So if you wanted to look this up and go find it yourself, you can find it at Sephora. You could look up shade number 3, and this is the one that you would get. So you can kind of see that pigment there through the Fenty logo. Up at the top, isn't that cool? So you actually get to see Fenty Beauty, and it's just this piece of acrylic up here at the top. It's unique. It's different. I've not seen other brands do that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this out and do a quick swatch. Look at this too, you guys. You can actually see through it, and it's going to scrape all that pigment off. I don't know, but that's super cool. I don't know why, but I love it. So this is the shade. Oh, it's a matte shade. Like ultra matte, you guys. Beautiful color. Love the pigment. It's also very pigmented. Like, it's not streaky at all. Oh, and it dries down quick too. Like, you guys, it is already drying down. But it's a little bit thicker of a formula because it's very creamy. It's not sticky at all, but it's definitely creamy, a little bit thicker, and it paints right on. So it fills in any lines or cracks that you might have. I really like this shade though. It's very wearable. This is a good pick. I'm happy with it. So the next product that I chose for my box is from LYS. This is their mattifying makeup setting spray. So this is a full-size product, and I believe you can get this at Sephora as well. I thought this brand was still there. This one will feature cucumber extracts, green tea, and aloe inside of it. So it will hydrate your skin, but it's also going to lock in your makeup for a flawless all-day wear. It's also going to blur the look of enlarged pores, unwanted texture, or fine lines. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I want to check it out and see what the mist is like. LYS typically will make all of their packaging out of triangles. So this is kind of their thing that they do. So it doesn't surprise me that we have this triangle shape here. But let me go ahead and shake this up. We'll do a quick mist. I want to see what it's like. Really fine. There's not really a scent to it. I'm not really getting anything other than like just skincare. I mean, it's just a clean scent is all I'm really getting. But I like how fine the mist is. It's very light. It is a bit tacky. I can feel it on my hand, so it should be like that. It feels good. It feels like a very lightweight setting spray. The last item that I chose for my icon box today, again, so predictable. If you know me, you knew I was gonna choose this for my box. So this is a fragrance that I have here today, full-size bottle. This is from the Maison company, which we've been seeing them a lot lately in subscription boxes in general. So I think this brand is really trying to get their products out there for people to try. So this one is 50 ml of product. The scent is mandarin leaf, jasmine. There's Bulgarian rose, dark plum, and vanilla flower in here. So this one, I'm definitely thinking it's going to be a very feminine, floral / citrus scent is what I'm assuming based off of those things. So this is the packaging. Ooh, it's so pretty. Why are fragrance bottles so pretty, you guys? They are just so stinking pretty. I love seeing like a glass shelf with all the different perfumes on them, all the different shapes and sizes. I mean, there's something about them that is just awesome. Back years ago, you guys, when I was living at home when I was a kid, my mom would always like save bottles of wine or different bottles of alcohol that looked cool. And she was like, oh, they're just pretty. And she just loved them. And I have realized I am the exact same way, but it's with fragrances. It's not with alcohol. I just love fragrance bottles. It's such a weird thing to enjoy, but anyways, it works. So this is what it looks like here. Now this is strong. I will tell you that this one is definitely a stronger perfume. I feel like it will wear very well throughout the day. It'll be on for a while. It is very feminine. So all those floral notes come out of there. You definitely, I mean, it's definitely a feminine perfume. No mistake about that. But there is a little bit of sweetness in there too. So it's not like a strong alcohol scent. It is a stronger floral note, but there is a little bit of sweetness. You guys, I have not disliked a single thing in this box so far. I mean, yes, I got a free bonus item in there, which is great. But seriously, all of these brands, like, this is amazing. Last item that I'm going to share with you guys is my Beauty Boost. Now this Boost product is an optional item. You do not have to purchase it if you don't want to, but if you decide to purchase the Boost, it will allow you to choose one additional item for your box, and it will cost you an additional $15 to purchase. So that is $15 on top of the $71 that I already paid for it. So I will get one additional product that I am able to pick out for this box. So for February, I went with the Ole Henriksen product. This is their Hydra Barrier Nourishing Facial Oil. So it is a full-size product. This will help to restore the barrier with your skin so that way you don't have dry skin, you won't lose moisture, but it's also going to have vegan peptides and essential fatty acids inside of it, so it will improve the look of fine lines and wrinkles, giving it some more elasticity and bounce after using this product. So this is more of a nourishing oil, like the name says, versus a hydrating product. It's not going to allow moisture to leave, but it's not necessarily replenishing any lost moisture either. So you'd want to use this, you know, in combination with like a moisturizer or some other products out there, but this will at least create a barrier to prevent from losing more moisture than what you'd normally do. So that is everything inside of my icon box for February. I mean, holy bananas. This is a great box. I don't care how we dice this, you guys. This, not only does it have full-size products, not only is there a bonus product in here that I didn't pay for, but they're great luxury brands, you guys. Like, they're brands that we all want to try. To me, this has always been what we've wanted from Ipsy, is we want to pay for nice brands. We want to have full-size products, and we like the variety that there's a little bit of makeup, there's some skincare in here, but there's also a fragrance as well. I mean, this just ticks every single box. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of this month's icon box? But I love it, and honestly, this is why I keep Ipsy around. Their icon boxes are amazing. So I hope you guys loved your box as much as I love mine. This was worth even the $71 that I paid for it, because I know a couple of items would have made back that money easily. So yes, I am so pleased today with my box. So comment down below, you guys. Let me know, what did you think of the box? What did you think of your boxes? We can chat all about it. But until next time, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys all in my next unboxing video. Bye!